Well, now, bargaining is a fine art, and nowhere more than at the Barnyards of Delgaty. And here we go. As I went out to market for to fay, I fell in with a farmer chill the Barnyards of Delgaty. Linton that day, Linton that day, Linton Lauren, the Barnyards of Delgaty. He promised me the very best pair that e'er I ever seen, but when I got into the barnyards, 'twas nothing there but skin and bone. Linton that day, Linton that day, Linton Lauren, the Barnyards of Delgaty. The old black horse lay on his rump, the old grey mare lay on her weem. No matter how I'd hopped and cracked, they never rose by milking time. Linton that day, Linton that day, Linton Lauren, the Barnyards of Delgaty. When I go to church on Sunday, many the bonny lass I see, sitting by her mother's side, winking o'er the pews at me. Linton that day, Linton that day, Linton Lauren, the Barnyards of Delgaty. I can drink and not be drunken, I can fight and not be slain, and I can flirt with another man's girl and still be welcome to my ain. Linton that day, Linton that day, Linton Lauren, the Barnyards of Delgaty. And now me candle's near burnt out, 'tis fairly on the wane. Say fare ye well, ye barnyards, you'll never have me back again. Linton that day, Linton that day, Linton Lauren, the Barnyards of Delgaty.